back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the items that got me through nursing the past couple years. Here we go. These are reusable nursing pads. They are wonderful and amazing because you can use them over and over and over again. In the very beginning, I did try out disposable ones. However, I found out rather quickly that they get very expensive and there's a lot of waste with them. These ones, all you have to do is throw them in the washing machine when you're done, and voila, you have fresh, clean ones ready to go. You can get them with good deals, or you can actually even make your own. All you have to do is go on Pinterest or Google and type it in, DIY nursing pads, and you're good to go. This is another wonderful and amazing product. This is a hands-free nursing bra. You can wear it and pump and still have your hands to do other things like cook if you're really needing to do that right then. You can also play on your phone, or you can even get work done if you're at work and in a private office by yourself. To me, this was a life-saving product, the nursing Cami. I get cold and I hate being cold, so I made this, and I will link this video up above. It's really easy to make. I got this Cami really super cheap at Walmart, and it just took a couple minutes. I highly recommend them. They keep your back covered while you're pumping. They keep your back covered while you're nursing. You are good to go with this thing. And you don't even need any special clothing if you don't want it. Nursing shirts. This is the special clothing that you don't necessarily need. However, I wanted to get it, and so I did. I also have a video for this one where I talk to you about a lot more different choices. This is my favorite shirt. It is leopard print. I'm a leopard print girl through and through, and this shirt has made it very easy to nurse my baby and pump when the time came as well. The Hakaa was a new to me product for baby number 3. It was a lifesaver in the very beginning. I'm so glad I purchased this. It wasn't very expensive. I got the basic model, and so you had to be careful not to let anything knock it over, but if it was late at night and you get engorged, it is amazing because it relieves you without necessarily throwing off your supply. It's very handy in the beginning. It also becomes very handy later on if you're nursing and you need it on the other side. Pump. Oh my goodness. So this is something I've used literally the entire time that I've been nursing, not this exact one. But in the beginning, all I had was a manual single pump, and that made it take a very long time. And I learned over the years that it's much better and much more efficient if you have a double electric breast pump, and check with your insurance to see if you can get one for free. That's how I got this one. This was a life changer. Having a car adapter for the pump made it possible for me to pump on the way to and from work. Oh my goodness, it was amazing. Between that and the hands-free bra, of course. And there's one more product coming up that also helped with that. Breastmilk storage bags have literally been my friend the entire nursing journey for me. I have always stored my milk in these bags. I have had good luck with these ones. I'm not saying you need to purchase them necessarily. You may have your own favorite. It's fine. Just use them. I like to store them in my deep freezer, which is another thing that I did not put on here, but it is a wonderful thing to have when you are storing milk. Another thing I wanted to add about this, though, was to only store in 2 and 3 ounces at a time for better use of milk. Another product I've had literally the entire time I've been nursing. It's actually 2 products, I guess. I got these together. I got these for free. Pay attention to the things in the waiting room at your doctor's office for each checkup, because sometimes they'll have things that are free. Other times you'll be able to sign up for things that are free. These are nursing covers. These were more of my best friends. I had several, I guess. But these helped me when I was nursing my baby, as well as pumping in the car, as well as pumping at work, because yes, I kept covered. Even though I was in a room by myself, it just made me feel better. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you out. Thanks, and have a great week. See you next Friday with the next video. Bye.